Hello there. Valentine's Day is getting closer and closer. The last video that we did, it was a Valentine's taste test. And in the video that I'm going to share with you today, a healthier version of the original, because this is like a very ordinary, loved, whatever you want to call it, recipe, especially if you're a Chinese food fan. We're going to be making sweet and sour chicken. And so I just wanted to show you that you can make a meal that you would go and order in a restaurant right in your own kitchen. And it's very, very easy. We're going to have the sweet and sour chicken. We're going to have some fried rice and egg roll and some sweet and sour sauce. But the fried rice and the sweet and sour chicken and the sauce I made here at the house. And that's another reason why I love this recipe, because you can break it up if you don't want to do it all in one day. You can do a little bit of prep ahead of time, and then the day that you're going to fix your meal, you can just do your chicken. And so it makes it really easy. And also, Kyle and I, we've done all the restaurants, we've gone out for Valentine's, but we both just like the intimacy of our home. We like to be in control of what we eat, what music we listen to, what our atmosphere is. We like to be in control of that. If we want to get up and dance, we can do that. If we want to turn the fireplace on. You want to dance now? Oh, okay. See, you never know. You really can't do this at a restaurant. Well, we have. No, you and Cindy did, remember?
Oh gosh, that was 100 years ago.
So yes, like I was saying, we like to have our dinner at home. So if that's you, this is going to be a great recipe for you to do. So let's get started. Okay, I guess you noticed, or maybe you didn't, where I was putting the pepper on the chicken. It wasn't black. It was pink. We had pink pepper. I don't know if you're familiar with these or not, but these are some Brazilian pink peppercorns. And, I thought it would be fun. I've never tried these before, but I thought it would be fun, since it's Valentine's, to have some pink pepper. But what the surprise was, they really do taste different and they smell different. If you've never tried this before, give it a try. It's actually, it has a little bit of a sweet flavor to it. And it's kind of, I think, a little bit spicier. Don't you think, Con? It's a little bit spicier than just regular black pepper. So this is definitely something that I will keep, and I will use it again, because not only does it look pretty, but it tastes really good. Now, it's not really peppercorn, okay? It is actually just a dried berry, but it's a hot dried berry because it tastes like pepper. Those are like spring they do the spring rolls. That's a little appetizer.
I'll do the hard one.
You got the oven set right? Even though Valentine's Day is a very special day for me and Kyle, I do understand and realize that for some people it might be a little bit of a sad day, just as well as any holiday. Sometimes holidays are not so fun or they're a little difficult. But I just want to encourage you to, look at Valentine's Day as just a celebration of love. It doesn't have to be a romantic celebration. It doesn't have to be between a spouse or a couple, but just think about the people in your life that you love. For instance, maybe it's your children, maybe it's a sibling, a brother or a sister that you have, your parents or a grandparent, maybe it's a neighbor, a really close friend that you have. Think of people that are in your life that you love and then celebrate that relationship and that love. I will give you an example. For years, for those of you that don't know, my mother passed away. This will be the third year. So almost 3 years ago. And every year for Valentine's Day, she would send me a bouquet of flowers. Some years it was regular flowers, sometimes it was roses, but on every single card that she would send me, it would say, "To my sweetheart." Now, she did that while my stepdad was still alive. It wasn't just after he passed. She always did that. She would send me those flowers and, it would say, "To my sweetheart." And that was precious to me then, but it's even more precious to me now. If you have at least one person in your life that you love, that loves you, that is definitely something to celebrate. Ready for dessert?
I'm ready.
I worked really hard on these little things today.
It looks like it. I mean, you wrapped them in cellophane and
Yes.
everything. Man, supper was really good.
It was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to read your fortune.
Okay.
But
Ladies
you don't have to
first.
eat the cookie or no.
I love these things.
Ugh, I can't stand them. Ooh, okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Faith is knowing there is an ocean when you can only see the stream. That's deep right there. Deep.
Read that again.
Seriously.
Faith is knowing that there's an ocean when you can only see a stream.
The stream.
The stream. That's good. That's good. Okay, you ready for mine?
Ready.
I hear and I forget. I see and I remember. I do and I understand.
Okay. I think that's enough said.
I read and I blow my mind. Okay.
And these are nasty. Oh my gosh. I am not even eating that.
That is as stale as a piece of cardboard.
Well, you know, even the ones in the restaurant, I think they're awful.
What's the date on these?
Well, I just got them, but, you know, even in the restaurant, if you remember.
I like the ones in the restaurant when they're crisp, you know.
You know, most of now we get like our eggs in brown cartons, but used to they still have them like the green and yellow, pink cartons, you know. That's what this reminds me of. Like if you took a bite of one of those egg cartons, that's what this tastes like.
Styrofoam.
With a little sugar added to it. Oh, it's awful.
Oh, man. Yeah, those, I like them when they're crisp, but yeah, these are bad. Well, you tried.
Hey, yeah. I mean, at least, you know, I gave you a little.
You gave me some wisdom.
Something there.
Yeah, and I've got to think about this one.
Okay, well, before we let y'all go, I just wanted to remind you, you know, we are talking about love. So show me some love and go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell so every time I put out a new video, you're going to be reminded. And also follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Like my videos and my reels and stuff. Share them, comment on them, because all of that helps me out so much.
And it means a lot. Thank you.
It really does, and it helps me to know what you like. And then one last thing, make sure you check out my website, cookitfortwo.com, and you can go there, my blog's there, a shop, and some stories, and just all kinds of good stuff. So thank you so much for joining us, and as always, Lord bless you.